Hello, we'd like to check in.
Welcome. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it's Timothy Walker.
Thank you. Your room is reserved for 2 nights.
Yes, is it possible to check in a little early?
Let me check. I'm sorry, your room isn't ready yet.
Oh, I see. Then can I leave my bags here until check-in time?
Of course, we can store your luggage for you.
Great, thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Please stop by the front desk around 3 p.m. and we'll have your room key ready for you.
Perfect. See you at 3 p.m. Excuse me, the heater in our room is blowing cold air.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Is it possible for someone to come over and fix it, please?
Yes, we will send someone right away.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, excuse me, could I get some extra towels, please?
Of course. How many extra towels would you like?
I think 2 more would be great.
All right, 2 extra towels. I can have someone bring them up in a few minutes.
That would be perfect. Thank you.
You're very welcome. If you need anything else, just let us know.
Hi, we'd like to use the gym. Could you tell me where it is?
Of course. The gym is on the 2nd floor, next to the pool.
Oh, I see. Do I need my room key to enter?
Yes, just tap your room key on the door.
Great. Does the gym have towels or should we bring our own?
We have towels there, so you can use those.
Perfect. And what time does the gym close?
Our gym is open daily from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m., so you're welcome to use it whenever you like during that time.
Okay, thank you for the information.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout.
Are you ready to start?
Yeah. What should we do first?
Let's warm up. Maybe some stretching?
Good idea. My legs feel tight today.
That's because you never stretch.
Hey, I stretch. Sometimes.
Okay, sometimes. Now let's start stretching so we don't get hurt. This treadmill is harder than it looks.
Yeah, but you're doing great.
Thanks. So, what's the plan after our workout?
I was thinking maybe we could go to the hotel lounge bar.
Oh, that sounds nice. Do they have good drinks?
I saw the menu earlier. They have cocktails, wine, everything.
That sounds perfect after a workout.
Yeah, a little reward for all this sweating.
Let's finish our workout and get ready.
Deal. 3 more set?
Okay, let's go. Wow, this lounge bar is amazing. The atmosphere is perfect and the view is absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, everything feels so classy and comfortable.
Honestly, this hotel is much nicer than I expected.
I agree. The lobby, the room, the gym, everything is really impressive.
And this lounge bar is perfect. The lights, the music, everything feels so cozy.
And the cocktails are great too. How's yours?
So good. It's sweet and fresh. I think it's my new favorite.
Mine is delicious too. I kind of want to order another one later.
And look at that night view. It's so pretty. I could stay here all evening.
Wow, you're right. The city lights look like a painting.
I love how peaceful it feels from up here.
Yeah, we can see the whole city. It's beautiful.
I'm really glad we chose this hotel.
Me too. Good choice by us.
Cheers to a perfect night.
Cheers. Hi, I have a question. Would it be possible to arrange a late checkout?
Let me check that for you. What time were you hoping for?
Around 1 p.m., if that's okay.
Our checkout time is 11 a.m., but let me check if we have any availability for a later checkout.
Thanks, I really appreciate it.
Good news! Late checkout is available until 1 p.m.
That's great. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. I've added a note to your reservation.
Perfect. Thanks again.
How long do you think we have to wait for the taxi?
I don't know. Maybe a few minutes.
I hope it comes soon. I don't want to miss the plane.
Yeah, me too. Did you check if we have enough cash to pay?
Yes, I brought some just in case. Do you think we should tip the driver too?
Probably. Maybe around 10% of the fare.
Look, there's one coming.
Oh, perfect timing. Let's wave at the driver.
Great, finally. Let's make sure we have our bags ready.
Got them. Let's go.